Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATNM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above the area right here at 57 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 57, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support to keep an eye on after that would be the famous 200 period moving average, which on my chart is being denoted there by that pink line. And you can actually already see that that level has provided support on a couple different instances there. So 57 and then the 200 period moving average, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The famous 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 57 would be great, but as far as that big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In all honesty, I'm thinking about kind of things as I talk, hence I stumble over my words. But resistance levels don't really matter, so I'm not even going to talk about them. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. So as long as the price continues to do that, that being build those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to be put into place, then just sit back and let the trend do its thing, because given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those stair steps, focus on healthy consolidations, and like I said, sit back and just let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.